Hello friends, welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today we are making a strawberry pudding for kids, which is a kind of sweet. So let's start. So first of all, take 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of gelatin powder, followed by 1/4 cup of water, and mix it very well to form a smooth paste. Keep this mixture aside. Now heat a pan on a medium flame and add 1/2 cup of milk followed by 1/3 cup of sugar. Now cook on a medium flame till the sugar gets dissolved. After sugar gets completely dissolved, add corn flour and gelatin paste and give it a nice mix. Again cook it for 5 to 7 minutes till the consistency becomes slightly thick. Now turn off the flame and let it cool. Transfer it into the mold. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of strawberry crush and give it a nice mix. Now add 9 to 10 crushed pista over the strawberry pudding and refrigerate it for 3 hours to set it completely. After 3 hours, the pudding will set nicely. Now take it out from the refrigerator and now give it a cut with the help of knife. Take it out in a serving plate and the strawberry pudding is ready to serve. Kids will love this pudding so much. So now it's your turn. Give this recipe a try at home and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!